You know, sometimes I just find it really therapeutic to get out into the yard and do some raking. It's good exercise and it's also peaceful.
Well, do you think you have enough rakes here?
Well, I thought I'd just bring a couple different ones to show you that there's a different rake for different purpose in the garden.
Well, this is my old favorite here. Out in my yard, I'm able to keep it nice and clean, but what's the difference here between the two?
Not a whole lot, Danny. This is just a little broader, so this is great for a lawn. If you've got an area where you've got gravel or a stone path, this is a super rake for that.
Well, this is one that we use a lot here around on the construction sites. Steel rake, some people call it a bow rake. We use it all the time for, leveling out our ground before we pour concrete, or after a project's finished to rake around it. Works pretty good.
Well, I use that when I'm working in garden beds and I'm trying to prepare the soil. I can just throw my amendments over the surface, use this to rake it in. It's great for grading.
And you even have one here for the kids, I see.
I do, Danny. I brought that for your daughters.
Oh, great.
But actually, what this is what you call a shrub rake or shrubbery, and it's fantastic for an area where you got a lot of plants, perennials, shrubs. You need to get in there real carefully and get the things out. It's a super rake for areas
I can
like
see where that would be real useful for that, and if I had 3 of them, I could get those kids really helping us out on that.
Oh, yes, you could.
But if you think it's so therapeutic, well, it's cheaper than a psychiatrist, right?